Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today our topic is notification related to guest faculty recruitment. It is official notification from the Telangana Welfare Residential Degree College for Women. This notification only for women. Must we follow all details under this video? Telangana Social Welfare and Residential Institution of Society, Hyderabad. They are giving some instructions for the applying for guest faculty's position in Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Degree College for Women's. Notification, they are invited from the eligible women candidates for utilizing their service as a guest faculty member in subjects. This notification only for the purpose of recruitment is related to women's candidate, must be note that. And in this notification they are also giving different subjects available in vacancies. One is Telugu, second one is English, another one is history, fourth one economics, political science and mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics, computer science, botany, zoology, microbiology, and our related subject is also given this notification. This is commerce, 15th one in sociology and psychology and journalism and geology, public administration, botany, biochemistry, genetic and geography, food science and nutrient and district test in the Tribal Welfare Residential Degree College for Women. The all subjects are eligible for the guest faculty recruitment, must be note only for women. And also they are giving another. Now coming to second related instruction, candidates belongs to 5th zone and 6th zone, they are eligible for apply this notification. We are already know different zones in Telangana. Telangana can be divided into 7 zones and 2 multi zones. Now coming to zone 5th and zone 6th. Zone 5th. Zone 5th name is Adadri zone. It is related to Suryapeta, Nalgonda, Adadri Bhuvanagiri, Janagama. ఈ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లో ఉన్న జనాభా అంటే ముఖ్యంగా ఉమెన్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ ఎలిజిబుల్ ఫర్ దిస్ నోటిఫికేషన్. And also another zone, it is 6th zone, Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Medchal, Sangareddy. It is the name of the zone is Charminar zone. So now we are going to notification. Another instruction for the notification, it is third instruction, essential qualification related the guest faculty. The must be master complete degree, that is MA or MSc or MCom or MCA with the minimum percentage of marks, it is 55%. In case of reservation is benefit, that is SC ST candidate must be 50% marks in relevant subject they are asked prefer. And additional another instruction for this notification, it is fourth notification, additional qualification like PhD, NET, SET and MPhil will be preferred. It is just like an additional qualification, it not necessary. Now coming to 5th one, interested candidates have to apply and through the www.tsreis.in అనే వెబ్సైట్ ద్వారా లాగిన్ అయ్యి మీ డీటెయిల్స్ని ఫిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ ఆల్సో 5th one, interested candidates have to apply to online through the www.rries.in, and an amount of the rupees 1500 will be collected from each candidate through the online towards the application fee. They are saying 500 for application fee using this website. This website link is available under description. Follow our description. And 6th one, last date of the submission of the application, it is 18th October 2020 up to 5 p.m. only. So must be note this date also who is applying for this notification. Then last one, it is 8th instruction, The selection will be made on the basis of performance. In this notification, they are testing your knowledge in two ways. One is written test exam. It is having 75 marks for an exam, and also they are conducting demonstration and also an interview for the purpose of testing your knowledge. They are also giving exam related questions as the subject wise or the context wise. The first one is contemporary issues. It is they are giving 12 marks on this session, and also question number 2 on the education methodology or education issues. It is also giving 12 marks on this session of examination, and also question number 3, it is research methodology. In this session they are asking questions is maximum 10 marks. The question number 4 on the subject concerned to the first year degree, whereas it is related to first year degree and second year degree and third year degree. They are asking each session 10 marks from the all sections. And also question number 7 on the subject concerned to the PG, they are asking also PG from the PG post graduation 10 marks. The total marks is 75 marks and grand total 100 marks. Why? Because they are conducting demo and interview, each one 15 marks plus 10 marks. It total is 100 marks. This is the notification. This notification link is available under description, so must we follow our description. This notification is only for women's. So, and also zone wise, it is 6th zone and 5th zone women are eligible for this notification. Especially in this notification they are also giving exam date also. It is 9th one. The written test will be conducted on the 31st October 2020, that is Saturday. From time is also given, it is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the Telangana Social Welfare Residential Degree College for Women across the state. The service of the selected candidates, it is 10th one. The service of the selected candidates will be utilized purely on temporary basis during the academic year. They are saying in this notification this recruitment is only on temporary basis, and also they are detailing their remuneration or salary related to these guest faculty teachers or lecturers. The remuneration is 25,000 or 30,000 per month depending on the performance or experience of the candidate. This notification is designed by the Dr. R.S. Praveen Kumar sir, secretary. Thank you watching for this video. If you are like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share with your friends.